Today is Nature Day, so it's water time. Later we'll go and spray the people. So let's get started. So I have a backpack, so I already fill up. So I think this is a backpack Hello Kitty spray. So let's get started. So let's wear this and try it out, okay? So let's do it. Later we will do the people and mommy and daddy and today. So look, come here and watch me. Maybe this is oh no. Oh no. It's turning. Thank you, mommy. So I think you need to do like this. You wanna watch? See right here. Whoa. I like this. Thank you for watching my video on this channel. See you. Bye.